Brown is the color of simplicity and reliability. It is a color of depth. Brown is the color which itself is a rare combination of soothness and attraction. This color is also present in the nature in a wide variety such as different types of flowers, fruits, vegetables as well as animals and birds. This color is a mixture of the primary colors which are blue, yellow and red. However, brown is always beautiful in its own way. Hence, our little colorful splashes of joyful hearts of pre-primary of Stonewall School are celebrating Happy Brown Day with utmost glee. Let's enjoy the shots.